everything in here is covered. Okay, if it's named in here, it's covered. If it's not, it's not, unless it's part and parcel to the failure of a covered component. If a covered component causes a non-covered component to fail, we'll pay for that as well. Okay. What's this?
The inspection, description, and inspect.
Here's what I say. Jacob, see these red check marks?
Yes, sir.
Every one of those red check marks, Jacob, could indicate money we spent on this vehicle to get it certified. We have to test everything. If something doesn't pass, we have to pay to replace or fix it. Now, Jacob, once in a while, the repair will be so expensive that we don't fix it. You know where those cars go? They go to the auction. You know where they end up? At our competitors' lots. If you've been shopping, you may have seen some of our rejects out there already. Okay.
That's a good one.
Well, that's my job, to come up with good ones.